I'm Vera.
And today we'll be showing you the farm work that we are doing here on our chick farm. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so right now my dad is making like a mini underground garden so we can put our strawberries, maybe our pineapples, and our herbs in. Ollie, you like the shade? This is turmeric. This is a banana tree. These are pineapples, and there's more pineapples over there. Those are our little strawberries, and there's more over there. This is ginger. Those are our chickens. They're getting literally so big. Our chickens are getting so big. Dookie. Hey, Duke. Chicks. Hey, girls and possibly boys. Here you go. All right, let's go. Yay! The field! We have to watch the tall grass and the trees when we walk through here because we have a good chance of at least encountering a panther. We have a few rules that we have established for when we come back here alone without an adult or our rather large dog near us, is that we have to stay in our parents' sight, and we also cannot come back here in the early morning or late night. Because let's just be honest, you really never know when it comes to nature. Like, we just heard a rustle in the grass, so we're going to leave. Goodbye. Let's go! How's it going? Alright, so that was pretty much the end of this video. I hope you guys loved it. And yeah, God bless. Bye.